army robber, abi na armed robber, because now army people that have been misbehaved, so we don't even know who won could be an armed robber or abi na army robber. They don't go invade Kogi State University, their student hostel. They enter there, then this one they go rob then these students. Students say that they sleep, normal sleep, person go sleep say around 3 a.m. Now there thief come boss enter inside the school. Abeg, how thief they get access enter inside this university? How they enter inside this Kogi State University hostel? Because some of all these things they always understand say then these security people wey dey guide in this school, they know about them. They always know wetin dey happen. Because if person no does this, how thief want na fence dey fly? Even the fence wey dey fly say who give them access? But as regards I say they steal and these girls phones, so valuables, so many things na they carry for this place. And say no be today that they rob. So for that Kogi State, e be like say them and thiefing, there be 5 and 6. Anything where they relate to make students, make they thief students, it dey always happen inside that place. And say they don't complain, tire. Say make government come help them because this one it don't do too much. My people beg, make na use na eye watch for yourself.
Can you imagine? See what happened in Kogi State? Kogi State University, KSU.
Around 3 o'clock.
Around 3:42 a.m. Look at what happened.
So
Can you imagine?
So they did.
Where girls stay? Can you
I'm
imagine?
telling you,
Girls
collected
watch.
phones.
What about our phones? How do we cope? How do we cope? Please, the government should act on this, please. Can you imagine? Look at what they did to our room. How do we cope? How do we cope? Please, government should act on this, please. They've been robbing several lodges in KSU and nobody is saying anything. Look at what somebody's son came to do to our room, collected all of our phones.
Auntie, we don't hear you loud and clear. But I'm not sure saying that government, you suppose they call for this your matter because as it be like this, government people, they busy. They chase them, Sunday go, and other people will say they won't catch. So I'm not sure say this one way they call them now, they go even answer. I'm not even sure say they go even hear you. The best person where you suppose call for this your matter now on a school management. I'm not sure say suppose near government because waiting on a school management they do. Thief go enter them there. Thief scattered. In fact, now even suppose they lucky. Say they don't even rape on her. I mean they don't even do something else to her. They just carry things where they won't carry. Even help na leave generator, then this thief try. But for you to know, then this thief, they be in fact better till they don't prepare. Thief wey be say they break burglary. This one they don't know say where they even come burglary dey. They don't carry their instruments ready. But abeg, wetin you wan gain from your fellow students? Because me I sure say all these thief I no go surprise. Say na their fellow students na even be still be the thief. We know say country hard, but all these students they try survive. Make una no go there, go dey cause people wey be say their parents no even get wey they just dey manage now come go there go dey cause them pain. Government now do something I no go do. School management self do something I no go do. Put things in place. If na security, all the security self, in fact, me I dey always blame them. Me as a person, I go NYSC, thief dey raid, security dey there. We call am talk say we dey play. See Nigeria, thief dey raid us, we dey call it security. The thief say for midnight 2 o'clock. So na there na suppose they know say e be like say they bribe the new security men, so they know say okay, make we settle you, then we go do our stealing. Because all this kind of thing wey dey happen inside Nigeria, e don dey too much. And especially for that Kogi State, in fact, so many people don't attest to and say when they go school, now so they thief them. And as government don't know this, as na school management don't know this one, shebi na suppose put this in place. If you be saying that they employ, na they collect students, we be saying na they be thief, or na go stop to they collect them. Because how person go those days, you no go even fit trust your own fellow students. No, you say your own fellow student don't turn to legit thief, na armed robber, na him be. Person will be say they go they carry gun. But as DSS they work, I hope say this one now, then this thief now go catch them because now blessing now don't they very active for work when they do. Making I find them these people go catch them, arrest them. No be say then these girls things now go just go like that. But until yourself, I don't know when I can see, make I no cuss and say when I can see phone, they even record again. Because I thought say they don't carry everything go. But thief, the way thief go even, some thief, they go do you something, you go come they wonder. See as they scatter, this person they scatter now, what is it? Now clothes they want it. Because normally students, don't be say they even get any better money. But 1,200 and they go see for their pocket. I be inside their bag, especially girls. They even know self go these girls so step because they know say if now boys, if they butcher them, if they catch them, their own they even done. But they know say girls know how they go fear, they go release things. Now I make all these things they do this, I beg, eh? On our school people, Kogi State government, I've been a Kogi State school management, making a find something do about this matter. They say the thing don't over happen. I hear this one, I want to make a bring and come inside, make myself use na ear, hear everything they happen. Make not forget to comment about anything when I feel to write about this whole matter what I just hear like this. I go see you on our next video.